Hey everyone, this is Joel Carricker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. You know, one of the biggest things, the best things I love about our business is the relationships we build with you, the homeowners, business owners. And, just like each one of us, we're all made differently. God has a way of, we're all different, but we all have a purpose. And at this particular place where I'm right now, if you hear in the background, I'm out in the country in Salina. Last time I was here, all this development, this was in the middle of nowhere. It's becoming less of a middle of nowhere than it is now, and things are being built up around it. But I've done the homeowners, great family. I've done about 4 of their roofs on different properties in their home. I did this barn way back when, and it was having issues, and we were securing it all down. And that started a relationship with, other roofs and just being that go-to person. So, and now I'm at a place where this roof we tried some time ago, but this is way overdue. It's time we're going to actually be replacing this roof, and we just got to replace it. There's a ton of wear and tear, a lot of wind damage. No longer can we put lipstick on this and get it through. It is time to actually square it away, because what's happening is it's just a risk where more water, we're going to start having water damage inside, and we don't want to have that. But it goes back to the things that we do with building relationships and having that opportunity. I always say we're not anything special, except that it matters to us, and we appreciate you actually sharing our name with other folks. As you have something you're not sure if we can do or not, you call, and we just want to be that go-to person. If anything, we can direct you to the right place. But anything needed for roofs or from installation or whatever other things that we do that can help you, please give us a shout. It's Joel Carricker, 214-535-0888. And always remember, we got you covered.